welcome to another video, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing my Sephora Play box for the month of, what freaking month is this? For March 2018, and this is how it came in the mail. It was a little bit beat up. Do you guys see that? But it's okay. So if you want to see what I got on my Play Sephora box for the month of March, then just go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and jump into unboxing this little beat up box. I currently don't have any nails, so I'm going to be using this to cut the box open. I wasn't a cheater this month at all, and last month I did not do my my monthly video on this box because I was still recovering from my surgery. So that's why I did not do my video. That's my excuse. But I wasn't very impressed with last month's stuff that we got. It was just a bunch of nothing. Like, I didn't really like it. So let's see what this month's box is all about. Hopefully it's a good one. Here we go. Okay. Alright, so no cheating, no peeking. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and start pulling in. This is what the box looks like. So, of course, we have our little Play Pass, which it has 50 beauty insider points. It looks like that. I'm going to set that to the side so that way I don't know what is in there, what is in this bag, because it's all in the little paperwork stuff. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. God damn, I'm like all over the place. Okay, it feels super soft. So the material is different. It's not like your typical white little bag that we've been getting. And it says, beauty is my spirit animal. Okay, so that's what it says in the front. And it's like a tie-dye looking bag. Very different. It's blue. Okay, so this is the first thing that I got. And this is the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. So, okay, something for the hair. Okay, so this is the first item that we got. So this is a hair product. Next thing. Oh, something from Stila. Ooh, I like Stila. Stila is one of my favorite brands. I'm wearing my Stila Beso Matte Liquid Lipstick today, and I really like Stila. Okay, so this is eyeliner, I think. Yes. Okay, so this is a Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, so I do use eyeliner. However, the kind of eyeliner that I use, it has like the little brush on it, because like that's how I could wing it out the best. Because I honestly don't know if I could use this. Like, I'm kind of scared of using these. I don't know why, but I'm going to give this one a try because I know and I've heard that this eyeliner is supposed to be really good. And I can't put it back in there. Why is it not going in? Am I messing this thing up? Okay, there we go. Hopefully I didn't mess up the tip because it kind of didn't want to go in there. But this is a makeup item and I'm very excited to try this out. So it is a Stila liquid eyeliner. And I will be giving this a try because like I said, I'm not that great with like the felt tip eyeliners like this. So we'll see how that works. Okay, next item is a squishy little something. Okay, so this is the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. So I think this is for the hair. It's probably like a hair conditioning mask. Yeah, I think that's what it is. So the packaging is really cute. But why I honestly do not like my hair products to be in like these squishy bags. Like, put them in a bottle like this. Like, give me a decent size. Something like this where I could put it in the shower and it could stay in there, because these little squishy bags, like if I open it and I leave it in the shower, like what if they step on it and like all the product's gonna go down the drain. So yeah, all right, another hair product. That's kind of weird. 2 hair products. Where's my makeup? Come on, Sephora. All right, so another item is this, and this is the Greek yogurt foaming cleanser. So this is for the face. So skincare, so something to cleanse the face with. Whoa, it's super, super blinding, but this is what it looks like. And I don't know, but so far this box is not that great. Not my favorite, honestly. Okay, next item is this. ¿Qué es esto? Okay, so it's like a little bottle. Okay, so this is the super goop setting mist with rosemary, and it has an SPF of 50. So like a setting spray. Let's see what the sprayer is about. Ooh, I like it. Let me smell that again. I kind of like the smell on it, and it has an SPF of 50, so that's good. Because, you know, it's going to start getting hot, and the sun rays are going to start coming out. But that is what this is. The bottle's really, really small, but I mean, it's something new to try out. I've never heard of that brand, but I'm obsessed with setting spray, so I'll give that one a try. All right, and our last item is this little thing right here. Oh my God, this sample size item is so super small, and this is from Bobbi Brown, and this is an illuminating moisture balm. Okay, so that's what that is, a moisture balm. So I don't know, guys. So this is it. This is all we got for this month's bag. I don't know. I think, honestly, I think I need to move on from Sephora Play. I think I need to branch out to something else. So I think I will be canceling my Play by Sephora. This would probably be my last month with this box, just because I haven't been really impressed with it. I mean, the makeup items I'm super excited about, and I think it was just the Stila eyeliner and a setting spray mist. The rest was like hair stuff and a cleanser. Como que no. Like, I'd rather invest my little $10 elsewhere. Because even the sample sizes, where did my little Bobbi Brown thing go? You see, I lost it. It's so small. Oh, it's in here. Just kidding. It's so small. Like, what the heck am I gonna... I'm just gonna use this like once, and that's it. Look how tiny this is. This is so super tiny. So I think I need to move on from Sephora Play. Much love to it. I was with them, I think, for more than a year. I jumped into this one when it first launched, but I think it's time to move on. To move on and try something else, a different subscription box. I'm pretty sure there is a bunch of subscription boxes out there that are of the same value, $10 or so, like Ipsy, Birchbox, Allure. Oh no, Allure is like 15. But I'm pretty sure there's other stuff out there that I could branch onto and get a better value for my buck. Does that make sense? Just these samples are just too small. No. And they're so small that I even lost it. I didn't even know it was in here. They're just getting lost, and they're going all over the place. So I was kind of disappointed with this month's box. 2 hair products, 1 makeup thing, a setting spray, and an illuminating no sé qué. I think I need to move on. So yeah, this box was not my favorite. It's time to cancel out with the Sephora Play and move on to something else. So yeah, this is gonna wrap up the video. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you're new to my channel, please let me know down at the bottom. If you do have a YouTube channel, I would love to give my love and support right back to you guys. And yeah, we shall see what next month's box will be. It definitely won't be a Sephora Play box. I'm gonna branch onto something else. And I think this is it, guys. Let me know if you guys are subscribed to Sephora Play, and if you like this month's box. What did you get? I hope you got more makeup products than hair stuff. I just wasn't impressed with this box, and it's time to cancel and move on. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful and wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.